Next question is find the sum of two middle terms of the AP minus 4 by 3, minus 1, minus 2 by 3, etc. 4 and 1 by 3. An AP is given as 100. So though we don't know what the question is, we can write two values. Which are the values we can write? A and D. What is A? A is minus 4 by 3. Find a D. D is second term minus first term. Second term is minus 1 minus 4 by 3. We'll give the value minus 1 plus 4 by 3. When taking the LCM, we are getting minus 3 plus 4 by 3, which is equal to 1 by 3. So we got the value of A and D. Again, we have to find the sum of two middle terms. To find the middle term, we must know how many terms are there. Then only we can find who is the middle one, isn't it? If I am saying find the middle one from you, then you will be surely asking a question, how many are there? Then only I can find the middle person. Same way, the first thing we have to do is we have to find how many terms are here in this AP. To find how many terms, we will calculate the value of n. How we will calculate the value of n? We will take the last given term 4 and 1 by 3 as an. So then apply the formula a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 4 and 1 by 3. Convert it into mixed fraction. 4 into 3 is Convert this mixed fraction. 4 into 3 is 12 plus 1 13. 13 by 3, which is an improper fraction. A, we have the value as minus 4 by 3. So minus 4 by 3 plus n minus 1 into d we got as 1 by 3 is equal to 13 by 3. Okay, so our denominators are the same. So we are getting minus 4 plus n minus 1 by 3 is equal to 13 by 3. This 3 get cancelled, giving you minus 5 plus n is equal to 13 and n is equal to 18. So how many terms are there in the AP? There are 18 terms. If there are 6 terms, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Who is the middle one? There are 6 terms. Okay, who is the middle one? Can we say? Before going to that, suppose there are 5 numbers, who is the middle one? It is easy, isn't it? Avoid 2 from both the ends. So 7 will be the middle one. Why? Because there are number of numbers I told us 5, which is an odd number. So if it is an odd number, there will be only one middle number. Suppose if I am taking this case, how many numbers are there? There are 6 digits, 6 numbers. That means there are even number of terms. If to find the middle term, there will be 2 middle terms, 2 values middle term. Clear? If it is an odd number എണ്ണമാണെങ്കിൽ ഒരു middle term കാണത്തുള്ളൂ. Even number ആണ് എണ്ണമെങ്കിൽ there will be 2 middle terms. 9 പേരിരിക്കുവാണെങ്കിൽ അഞ്ചാമത്തെ ആളായിരിക്കും middle. അതേസമയം 10 പേരിരിക്കുവാണെങ്കിലോ നടുക്കത്തെ ആളെ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ പറഞ്ഞാൽ ആരൊക്കെയായിരിക്കും middle വരുന്നത്? 5th person and the 6th person. Same happens here. So here we got the value of n as 18. So there are 2 middle terms. To find the middle terms, what we do is, again, suppose A, B, C, D, E, F. There are 6 terms. Okay, who is the middle one? 3rd term and the 4th term. How we got? There are altogether 6 terms. So divide 6 by 2. 6 by 2 gives you the third term. So that third will be one of the middle value. Again, add 1. That means take the next term by adding 1. 3 plus 1 gives you 4. 4th term will be the next middle one. Okay, suppose there are 10 terms. To find the middle one, what you have to do is divide 10 with the 2. So 5th term will be one of the middle term and the next term, which will be the 6th term. If there are 100 terms, what to do to find the middle one is divide 100 with the 2. So 50th term will be one of the middle term and the next term, which is the 51st term, will be the next middle term. Same way here we have the 18 terms. Which all will be the middle terms? Middle terms will be, one is 18 by 2, which is equal to 9. And the second one is 9 plus 1, 10th term. Okay, so the middle terms are, one is the 9th term and the second one is the 10th term. So the question is to find sum of 2 middle terms. So required sum will be equal to, what all we have to do? Sum of 9th term. Sum of middle term, sorry, not the sum. 9th term plus 10th term. sum of middle terms. Which are the terms? 9th and 10th. So the question is to find the sum of 9th term and the 10th term. So what is 9th term? A9, it is A plus 8D plus, what is A10? A plus 9D. Simplify the values. A plus A is 2A plus 8D plus 9D gives you 17D. We know the value of A and D. What is A? A we took as minus 4 by 3. So 2 into minus 4 by 3 plus 17 into what is D? 1 by 3. Okay, here the denominators are the same. 4 into minus 2 into minus 4 gives you minus 8 plus 17. So we are getting 17 minus 8, which gives you the value 9 by 3, which gives you 3. The sum of the middle terms, which are 9th and 10th terms, are 3. Middle term, how we calculated? We got the number of terms as 18. 18 by 2 gives you the 9th term. So one of the middle term is 9th and the next term, it's a 10th term. So there are two middle terms, 9 and 10. Why? Because there are even number of terms in the AP. And the question was to find the sum of the middle terms. That means sum of 9th term and the 10th term. And we got the answer as 3.